Ram Ram Ram, Namo Namaha. I welcome you all to class number 14 of Sri Sura Saraswati Sabha Prathama preparatory course. Like always, let us begin our class with a prayer. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guruh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. The textbook for the course, I'm just repeating this in case any of you who have not yet procured or unable to reach out can try to reach out the Sabha office directly. And I've heard from some of the students that they have received the textbook as well in this week. So maybe this time you can actually try to reach the Sabha and procure your textbooks. This information is also available on the course page as well as here in the slides as well. It will be available in the PDF that you download. Even in that, you will be able to see this. Samskritam kathamasti? Samskritam sulabhamasti. Kimartham sulabhamasti? Samskrita bhasha sarala bhasha. Ataha aham samskritam avashyam pathami. Apicha vayam sarve samskritam avashyam pathamaha. With that, let us proceed to recite the Subhashitani. I shall call out the students. Please be ready and please raise your hands so that I can call out your names. G.S. Nageshwar Rao Mahodaya, can you recite the Subhashitam?
Pradoshe Deepaksha Chandraha Prabhate Deepakosh Ravihi Trailokya Deepako Dharmaha Suputraha Kuladipakaha.
So a few points. Deepakash Chandraha and Dharmaha. Dha is a Mahaprana. So please focus on that and practice well. I shall repeat this once today. Pradoshe Deepakashchandraha Prabhate Deepako Ravihi Trailokye Deepako Dharmaha Suputrah Kuladipakaha. We'll go to the next Subhashitam. Jai Shri Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Lalayet panchavarshani dashavarshani tadayet prapte tu shodashe varshe putram mitravadacharet.
Uttamam, dhanyavadaha. Lalayet panchavarshani dashavarshani tadayet prapte tu shodashe varshe putram mitravadacharet. We'll go to the next Subhashitam. Matangi Bhagini.
Ram 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 Mahoday. Swagruhe pujyate murkhaha swagrame pujyate prabhu swadesho pujyate raja vidwan sarvatra pujyate.
Two pronunciation tips. Swagrame, it is not Swagrame, it is Swagrame. That Dvitva is always expected wherever there is a Sanyukta Akshara. Okay, that is one. And Swadeshe, it is not Swadesho. Swadeshe Raja. These are the 2 points. Otherwise, well recited. Swagrihe pujyate murkhaha swagrame pujyate prabhu swadeshe pujyate raja vidwan sarvatra pujyate. These 3 were the revision. Now I will teach the new Subhashitam which we have learnt in the last class. One of the student would repeat after me. Aruna Bhagini. Aruna.
Namaskaraha Mahodaya.
Namaste. Ram Ram Ram. Please repeat after me. Adhama dhanamichanti.
Adhama dhanamichanti.
धनमानौ तु मध्यमाः
धनमानौ तु मध्यमाः
उत्तमामानमिच्छन्ति
उत्तमामानमिच्छन्ति
मानो हि महतां धनम्।
मानो हि महतां धनम्।
धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
अधमाधनमिच्छन्ति धनमानौ तु मध्यमाः उत्तमामानमिच्छन्ति मानो हि महतां धनम्। We'll go to the next subhashitam. Lakshmi KV Bhagini. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति
उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति
कार्याणि न मनोरथैः
कार्याणि न मनोरथैः
न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य
न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य
प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः।
प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः।
उत्तमं, well recited. धन्यवादाः। उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः। We'll go to the last subhashitam as per our textbook. Renuka Bhagini. वृत्तन्तु सर्वथा रक्षेत्
वृत्तन्तु सर्वदा रक्षेत् वित्तमायायाति च
अहं पाठयामि भगिनी. I will teach, so please repeat after me. वित्तमायाति याति च.
वित्तमायायाति च
Listen carefully. वित्तमायाति याति च.
वित्तमायायाति च
There are two times yati comes, ayati and yati. So vittam ayati yati cha. That is how it is. Vittam ayati yati cha.
वित्तमायाति याति च
Nakshino vittatah kshinaha.
न क्षीणो वित्ततः क्षीणः
Vittatah kshinaha. You will have to tell the visarga completely.
न क्षीणो वित्ततः क्षीणः
Vittatah kshinaha.
न क्षीणो वित्ततः क्षीणः
Vrittatastu hato hataha.
वृत्ततस्तु हतो हतः।
Dhanyawadaha Bhagini. So as I said, whenever visarga is followed by kshakara, ksha, in such cases we will have to tell the visarga completely. Unlike upadhamaniya or jihvamoliya, for example, if it is only kakara or kha, then it becomes kah karoti, kah khanati. That is a jihvamoliya sound that is pronounced. But if it is ksha, in such case, the visarga has to be told completely. There will be no change with respect to the visarga. Vrittantu sarvatha rakshet vittamayati yati cha nakshino vittatah kshino vrittatastu hato hataha. So these were the subhashitani that we have learnt. Now let us proceed to the Shabda Rupani and Dhatu Rupani. We shall learn, revise the Tat Shabda and Etat Shabda today. Let me call out a few students. Namrata NR.
नमो
Can you
नमः
please,
महोदय।
Ram Ram Ram. Please read out the Shabda.
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तच्छब्दः प्रथमा विभक्तिः सः तौ ते द्वितीया विभक्तिः तं तौ तान् तृतीया विभक्तिः तेन ताभ्यां तैः चतुर्थी विभक्तिः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पंचमी विभक्तिः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः षष्ठी विभक्तिः तस्य तयोः तेषां सप्तमी विभक्तिः तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु।
Uttamam, well recited. Dhanyawadaha Bhagini. We'll go to the next Shabda. I request Ranjani R. Can you please recite the next Shabda?
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिंग लिंगः तत् शब्दः प्रथम विभक्तिः
Prathama vibhaktihi. For now, we will tell only the table. That is sufficient. Prathama, Dvitiya, Ityadi. That is to initially to practice. But yeah, there's no harm in telling Prathama vibhaktihi Satetaha or Satetaha iti Prathama. Either of the ways are correct. There's no doubt about it. But let us tell only the forms now. Satetaha, Tamtetaha, etc.
Okay, so सा ते ताः ताम ते ताः तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तस्मै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः तस्याः तयोः तासां तस्यां तयोः तासु.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
धन्यवादः.
Well recited. Okay, so if we want to see the similarities between that Shabda, Dakarantaha Strilingaha versus Dakarantaha Pullingaha, if you see closely, in Pullinga Shabda it becomes Tasmai, Ma, Tasmai, and in Strilinga it becomes Tasyai. Okay, Tasya, so Tasmat for Panchami, anyway, there is no resemblance. For Shashti, Tasya in Pullinga, Tasyaha in Strilinga. Some of these similarities you can remember, so that you can identify it correctly. And this place, at least Chaturthi Vibhakti, Tasyai or Tasmai, the writing also may sometimes be very similar, the handwritten or some in other older lipis, etc. So we should be very careful to use the word correctly and according to what it is referring to. Okay, let us go to the next Shabda. Kirtana A.
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्तिः तत् ते तानि द्वितीया विभक्तिः तत् ते तानि तृतीया विभक्तिः तेन ताभ्यां तैः चतुर्थी विभक्तिः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पंचमी विभक्तिः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः षष्ठी विभक्तिः तस्य तयोः तेषां सप्तमी विभक्तिः तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Well recited. So I hope all the students are reciting it loudly when one of the student is reciting here. So please do recite it so that we'll get a good practice of it. Okay. Shankar Narayanan Mahodaya. Let us go to the Etat Shabda. Please recite this.
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्तिः एषः एतौ एते द्वितीया विभक्तिः एतम् एतम् एतौ एतौ एतान् एतान् तृतीया विभक्तिः.
It is etam, enam, takara and nakara. That is the difference between these two forms. Etau, enau, etan, enan. So can you please repeat again?
द्वितीया विभक्तिः एतम् एनम एतौ एनौ एतान् एनान् तृतीया विभक्तिः एतेन एनेन एताभ्याम् एतैः चतुर्थी विभक्तिः एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः पंचमी विभक्तिः एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः षष्ठी विभक्तिः एतस्य एतयोः एनयोः एतेषां सप्तमी विभक्तिः एतस्मिन् एतयोः येनयोः एतेषु.
Uttamam, well recited. Dhanyawadaha. Next one, Gayatri Bhagini, can you please recite the next Shabda?
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः एषा एते एताः एताम् एनाम् एते एने एताः एनाः एतया एनया एताभ्याम् एताभिः एतस्यै एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः एतस्याः एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः एतस्याः एतयोः एनयोः एतासाम् एतस्याम् एतयोः एनयोः एतासु.
Dhanyavadaha. Well recited. Balaji Mani, can you please recite the next Shabda?
दकारान्त पुल्लिंग
Napumsakalingah.
नपुंसकलिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः एतद् एते एतानि एतत् एनत् एते एने एतानि एनानि एतेन एनेन एताभ्याम् एतैः एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः एतस्य एतयोः एनयोः एतेषाम् एतस्मिन् एतयोः एनयोः एतेषु.
Dhanyavadaha. So in the previous class, in the slide, in this particular slide, there was only one form which was given for Saptami Vibhakti. But similar to Pullinga Shabda, there are two forms for Saptami Vibhakti as well, similar to Shashti Vibhakti. Etayoho, Enayoho. Please make note of that and practice both these forms. Both these forms are important. In some places we can use etat, in some places we can use enat, both mean the same. So please note that only for this Shabda, etat Shabda, there are two forms which are occurring. And it is very similar to Tat Shabda. If you remember and practice Tat Shabda well, then the etat Shabda will also be easy to remember and tell, because only thing is the addition of extra ekara. Okay, with that, let us go further.